Hey, what's up, guys? Today, guys, I will share a small small discussions about fire and gas. So, what is fire and gas system? FGS, which is fire and gas system. What do you mean by fire and gas? So, in order to know that fire and gas, we can see some of those like beacon, let's say detectors, right? So we can say that that is part of the fire and gas, right? So it's an electronic programmable electronic system that's provides risk. So any event can be triggered, and then everyone knows about that, so that it will be involves to all the people that they aware that there's an alarm, there is a H2S, like a carbon gas. So that's when the trigger of the alarm will be uh, going on. So of course you are in the other locations, so you can hear the alarms, meaning it's different alarms that we are catering. So for example, it's 2S, we have different alarm and the color of the beacon as well. So we have red, we have blue, and we have also a loudspeaker. So in the platforms or in any refinery, or maybe other petrochemicals, they have different sounds, but mostly you can see all of the fire and gas, they have red and blue, and then sometimes I don't know, other company, they still using orange color of the beacon. So in order that to control this hazard conditions, we need to provide a fire and gas system. So this fire and gas system, it involves all the controls. So that it's combines with inputs, sensors, transmitters, okay, and then we have equipment combinations with fire suppressions. We have also ESD and also HSSD, okay. So this is all these combinations for the fire and gas system. So audible and visible alarms, and that will be interfacing to the HMI, and then of course that's part of the logic during the FAT activities that will be including our testing. So fire and gas system that needs to be checked during the FAT, the logic, okay, and then with HMI, and then we will cross check as well for the ESD, that is emergency shutdown system, and also ICSS control, so integrated control system, or either PCS. It depends of the company what kind of equipments that needs to be utilized in your project. So basically the main objective of the fire and gas system is to control, mitigate, and awareness to all the personnels at the site, at the field, in the operations and refineries and anywhere. Okay, so that's a short informations related the fire and gas system, guys. See you.